Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is NURUL and I'll be presenting my study entitled The Susceptibility Status of Aedes Species towards Temephos in Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur Campus. So you must be wondering, what did I mean by susceptibility status and what is Temephos? Susceptibility can be defined as the lack of ability to resist extraneous agents, which in this case is Temephos, an organophosphate larvicide used to treat water infested with the Aedes larvae. This larvicide has been used in Malaysia since 1973, where at that time, our whole country was experiencing a dengue epidemic. Since then, this larvicide has been used as one of the dengue vector control measures, which leads to a problem where the larvae started to create resistance as the survival mechanism. Hence, the study aims to determine the susceptibility status of the Aedes larvae in two study sites consisting of the Kuala Lumpur Campus, KKL, where there is no study regarding Temephos susceptibility being done before, and College Tun Said Nasir, KTSN, which are both parts of the UKMKL. This study is done by setting up 3 OV traps that contain pedals at 20 checkpoints located at each study site. The mosquito eggs obtained were then hatched at the laboratory, and the third install larvae were used for the bioassay test. These larvae were tested against the Temephos diagnostic dose, which is 0.012 ppm, where the result revealed that both Aedes strains are showing a very good susceptibility status, as 100% mortality were observed, as opposed to a study done by Norma Silla at Kebangsaan 7 years ago, which showed that the Aedes larvae were at a moderate susceptibility level. This can be explained by the fact that Malaysia underwent a long movement control order to curb the COVID spread, which also stopped Aedes control at both sites. Next, to study deeper into this, the larvae were tested against several concentrations, and the study found out that the KKL strain has lower susceptibility level seen through the higher value of LC50, LC90, LT50, LT90, and lowest concentration that causes 100% mortality compared to the KTSN strain. To justify, the KKL and KTSN's management reported Aedes control was done in every 3 months. Not only that, KKL is surrounded by Kuala Lumpur Hospital that also carry out their own Aedes control measures like A-betting, and this explains why the KKL strain has a lower susceptibility level. To conclude, this study suggests that the relevant parties alternate the use of ABIT with other type of larvicides to stop further resistance development. Remember, if mosquitoes breed, then you will bleed. Thank you.